Hey everybody, Tim Herriage here. I want to talk to you about the new HOA laws in Texas, enhancing protections and promoting fairness. And you know, I'm a Texan through and through. I believe in private property rights. As an American, I believe we should have our rights protected. And by gosh, I don't think there's anything more important to me than homeowners associations and the way they are attacking good people, specifically existing owners. It's one thing if you buy a house and you agree to the rules. It's another thing if a band of bigots go down the street and have a private meeting and they decide they're going to come after you and your family and your house and your finances. So let's talk about what Texas has decided this year. We're going to talk about House Bill 614, House Bill 886, House Bill 998, and House Bill 1193. So 614 talks about fines. It talks about how there's HOAs that have had disproportionately high fines for relatively minor violations. So what this law does is it requires HOAs to establish a transparent policy regarding fines and related violations. And so what they do, they have to have a policy that has the general categories of restrictive covenants for which fines may be assessed, a schedule of fines for each violation category, and information on hearings to discuss and resolve violations. Very important. The law ensures homeowners have a clear understanding of fines they may face in the process for resolving the violations. Look, when you establish guidelines and everyone knows the rules and everyone follows the rules, that's good fences make good neighbors, right? House Bill 886, Property Owners Association Assessment Liens. Look, I mean, these homeowners, they've got, I was buying a house the other day, and this poor lady, I mean, they owed $20-something thousand to the HOA. Just ridiculous. Half of it's to an attorney that didn't do anything, definitely didn't reply back to emails whenever we were trying to pay it off, right? So anyway, I got a little sideways there. Sorry about that. House Bill 886, so effective September 1st of 2023. So this one's effective this year. It introduces requirements for filing liens, and it talks about the multiple notices of delinquency and waiting periods before a lien can be filed. So an HOA can't just run out and go file a lien anymore. There's going to be rules around that. They're required to send a first notice of delinquency to the mailing address or email address, right? They can't just go drop it off on the doorstep and say they delivered it. It has to be by certified mail, return receipt requested. On the second one, not earlier than the 30th day after the first notice. So they're making it where you have to give them a notice, then wait 30 days, then send certified mail, right? It's very important because a lot of these HOAs, they don't have good records anyway. 886, it restricts and prohibits the HOA from filing a lien before the 90th day after the second notice of delinquency was sent. And here's why. They file these liens, they hire these law firms, and they just fee you. It's insane. It's ridiculous. And a lot of times that attorney's a friend of one of the board members. Trust me, I'm dealing with that. Go hire your buddy to be an idiot. You know, they don't hire people that know what they're talking about. Oh man, it is what it is. You know, just to give this is all to give property owners enough time to address delinquencies and have a conversation with clear procedures and clear timelines, right? Next up is House Bill 998. It's the Fair Plan, Insurance by Fair Plan Association. So this is for Texas homeowners that are in subdivisions of property owners where affordable insurance company coverage is just hard to get. A lot of this, like down in like by Galveston and Houston, where with wind coverage and things, it's hard to get. And a lot of these condo associations, they pay for the insurance for the outer surroundings of everybody that lives there. So the Fair Plan, nonprofit association, it's going to provide insurance to individuals in underserved areas. The law expands the coverage to property owners associations insurance. And so that's good. And so now some of these HOA these condos will actually be able to get the right insurance, be able to get enough insurance, be able to get affordable insurance. Maybe they'll start taking care of the places, because I don't know about you, if you've seen some of these condos where they provide the insurance, they can't pay for anything because the insurance basically only covers half the building if it burns down. So I think this is good. And then last is House Bill 1193. Now, I love House Bill 1193 because you may have heard last year up in Denton County, Texas, a homeowner association said, hey, you know what? We've decided no Section 8 tenants are allowed in the subdivision, which is absurd, which is redlining, which is a violation of property rights, which is discrimination. And frankly, this is another place where I get my little saying that HOAs are nothing but a band of bigots. So effective September 1st, it makes it illegal to restrict payment method, period, right? So the law prohibits associations from including provisions in their documents that restrict or prohibit renting dwellings to tenants based on their method of payment, including housing choice vouchers or other forms of housing assistance. Look, this is about being fair. We can't allow redlining. We can't allow people to go out and decide they don't want someone that looks like me or looks like someone else in their neighborhood, right? We're past those times in America. Sorry, we are, okay? So I mean, the bottom line is, those are the bills right now that I've been able to find that are going to affect HOAs. Those are the bills I've found that are going to affect real estate investors. I'm going to keep digging. Jump over to timherriage.com. Let me know what you think. I'm going to have some really detailed articles on each one of these bills. And you can, if you subscribe over there, you get automatic notifications on this video. Do me a favor, please, please, please. Like it, share it, and subscribe to my channel. So I hope this is helpful. I hope you are enjoying your investing adventure. Have a great day.